So this is part 7 of the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun. And right here, we're working on the Achilles tendon, gastrocnemius, soleus, and a little bit of the popliteal muscle, which is in the back of the kneecap, which is that love spot where if you kiss somebody in the back of the kneecap, senses go crazy. Oh yeah, you can run over it with the massage gun and it feels wonderful. As you can see, the ripples in the body, we're putting in work. We're using the spongy head or the SpongeBob head. Well, it's not SpongeBob, but you know what I mean. It's spongy and it's nice and soft, and it works on the calves because some people's calves are super sensitive, like hers. She can take deep pressure on her back and everywhere else in the body except for her legs or lower legs at the calf area. So use this type of head for that area. You can get the insides of the leg. Now I'm working on the hamstrings going up. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Everything is smooth. Slow is fast, so don't rush it. Treat the person like it's the last day on earth, or you guys are about to go to heaven, all that good stuff. Just treat it as if it's the last day. That's how I treat every one of my massages. And that's why everybody gets such a damn good massage from me. Highly requested massage therapist. Working that IT band. Working the side of the kneecap. Oh yeah, if you have some type of surgeries, or you need to break up that scar tissue, get that meniscus right. Oh man, hit the PCL, LCL, MCL, and ACL. Hit the front side of the kneecap as well. But good grief, using your thumbs or fingers, it can break you. Even a kneecap can, because you put in a lot of work around the area. And sometimes it's gentle pressure is all the kneecap needs. So this head is perfect for it. Work the glutes, the butt area right here. IT band again. Oh yeah, and we're good to go. All right, so right here in this video, we are talking a lot. We are having a good old time talking about how people act at work, post-COVID, how we're coping, PTS COVID, all that good stuff, and how we're maintaining. And both of us, we lived a single life. Thank God we weren't strapped down or, in the house with somebody who could get on our nerves. So we're both talking about that right now and how we still, got around and mingled. So what we're talking about, I had to actually censor with some music because we are talking about inappropriate things that may not align with people's beliefs and values. So don't take offense to it that you couldn't hear it. It's just we're talking about some raunchy stuff, House of Dragons, certain scenes where there's a lot of, stuff going on may not be good for everybody watching a massage gun video. So again, I apologize, but let's watch the video. This is just me working on the body and how I work the massage gun, how I use the different heads. And these are just my techniques. I go nice and slow. I take my time. I'm methodical with it. Oh yeah, exacting, clear, concise movements. Oh my goodness. I'm doing it all. So that's all I'm doing in the video. It's nothing shockingly new. It's just strokes up and down, side to side, circular motions, diagonal, whichever way you want to do it. And be careful of the middle areas. I know I can go close to my model because we've known each other for, 12, 13 years now. It's been a while. So we get in areas where you may want to stay away from if you're working on certain clients, because certain clients, some people are cool, some people are lukewarm, some people are hot, some people are just different and weird, or some people are just bat-ass crazy. So if it's that type of client, you may not want to go with the massage gun in the inner thigh area to where the groin or vaginal area is, or balls and penis area. Yes, please be careful. You could send the wrong signals, mixed signals, and hey, we are not mind readers. So just because someone moans and groans or smiles and laughs and giggles at your jokes doesn't mean that's a green light to go for everything, okay? So be cautious of what you're doing. Right now, working the side of the legs, the common peroneals. Oh yeah. Man, neglected wearing those high heels or wearing runner shoes. You know, whatever activity you're doing, it's not always high heels. You could just be someone who wears crazy socks all the time, or pitting edema, swollen ankles, swollen feet. Oh yeah, it builds up right around here. And so you need to flush the lymphatic drainage system so it can flush out all those toxins and craziness of the body. Okay, once we are done massaging our clients, we now want to finish them off or polish them off with a nice, relaxing, smooth, gentle massage. It can be firm, but no deep tissue unless they request it. So I just do some rocking, some effleurage strokes, which effleurage is just straight up and down type of a stroke. And right now I'm just pulling away, starting at the kneecap and pulling away. So now I'm just doing circles, like sun over the moon, sun over the moon. Oh yeah, sun over the moon. And then we come together, sun and moon comes together, and then you just grab right underneath that hip bone. Oh yeah, and then pull back, pulling that IT band and those gluteus minimus and medius, releasing that piriformis muscle. Oh, it feels good. That's right. Circles, circles, circles. You cannot go wrong with circles. Or shaking or jostling or rocking that I'm doing right now, using my palm, using my body weight, staying away from using my muscles, and I just finish up on the massage. Cover your client back up. Make sure you calm the feet down because the feet got cold. Use those knuckles. And then we're going to use this time to cover her up. And we're going to work on the other leg and turn her over. And you can use the massage gun in any way you choose. So when we flip her over, we're going to work on the feet, because that's one of the main culprits when you turn the body over that people want worked on is their feet. Okay? All right.